Hi, I'm Emily from Motormatch in Stoke, and today I'm going to be showing you around this manual Ford Puma EcoBoost in white. This stylish compact SUV is powered by an efficient 1.0 litre petrol engine and meets Euro 6 emission standards. Taking a look at the back of the vehicle, you benefit from your stylish rear lights, and at the front here we have your projector headlamps with LED daytime running lights to ensure that the road ahead is always fully illuminated. This vehicle stands on these 5x2 spoke black machined finish 17-inch alloy wheels, complementing the car's exterior perfectly. Into the rear we have the two-toned cloth upholstery with your red stitching there, as well as Isofix anchor points which are perfect for securing those child seats. Into the vehicle's spacious boot now with ample of room inside, making it perfect for the daily essentials. Your back seats do also fold down to 60-40 split, supplying even more room. Into the front of the cabin, the stylish look continues with that same upholstery on the front two seats as the back, and we also get a glimpse here at your steering wheel. Taking a closer look, your steering wheel is the ST-lined flat bottom leather steering wheel and is also multifunctional. Ahead we have your digital display, which we're going through the drive modes at the moment, where you can change the mode of the vehicle dependent on your journey that day. Over now to the infotainment system, you can explore all of the radio options available or connect your own devices to your own music or to make and receive those all important phone calls. Navigation is also provided to ensure you never get lost on those unfamiliar journeys. You can also connect via Apple CarPlay and Android Auto for seamless smartphone connectivity, as well as adjust the vehicle settings like the sound system through the infotainment system. Rear parking sensors are also provided to help with reversing, and there we have your easy to use climate control in the centre there, a USB charge port. Thank you for watching this presentation on this manual Ford Puma EcoBoost in white. If you are interested in this vehicle, please contact our friendly sales team here at Motormatch Stoke.